Do you know what? I don't need spotlight. My work will expose me. I don't need to prove myself. My work will improve me. Slow progress is still progress, so I don't like to stop. I don't like to give up. If I want to be a eloquent speaker, if I want to be a effortless speaker, then I must need to go on. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm practicing speaking English even though it's midday, but I'm not feeling bad under the sunlight because it's my passion. I don't speak only on occasion, so we should take it as a profession. So never ever give up. Practice speaking English. Thank you. Love you all.